Hello and welcome to the workshop today presented by Always Smile. We're a Northern Utah company that is working to provide good oral care for everyone so that they can always have a smile. Today we're going to go over just a few things that people can do to always have that smile on their face. So one of the most important things is to start brushing. If you're not brushing, you need to start brushing. And we'd like you to brush for 2 minutes, 2 times a day. You need to brush your teeth slowly and gently with a soft brush, preferably on a 45-degree angle, and gently move it back and forth in a short stroke, going from one tooth to the next. And an easy way to get to the 30 seconds is the 2 minutes is to spend 30 seconds in each quadrant. So start on the top outside, for 30 seconds, move to the inside top for 30 seconds, move to the lower outside for 30 seconds, and then into the inside. And that'll get you to your 2 minutes of brushing that you need every day. Another important thing to do is to floss daily. And the most important thing about that is it just cleans right between those teeth. It gets all the stuff out. It's something that everyone should do at least once a day, even children. As early as having just 2 teeth is a great thing to begin to teach our kids to start to brush their teeth. It just helps to prevent cavities and gum disease. Another thing that people can do to help prevent gum disease, or to always have that good smile, is to chew sugarless gum. And you need to check to make sure that it is really sugarless gum. And one way to do that is to check for the ADA seal, and that way you know it is sugarless. A couple of things of what chewing gum can help do. It's going to increase the flow of saliva in your mouth, which helps to wash away food and other debris, and it helps to neutralize the acids and bacteria that may help cavities to develop. One thing about chewing gum, though, chewing gum does not replace brushing and flossing. You still need to brush your teeth at least twice a day and floss. Another important part of oral health is eating a healthy diet. And you need to eat food from each of the 5 food groups. A balanced diet is healthy for your teeth. We should limit our snacks, especially those sugary snacks. And one of the reasons that we are told to limit snacks is when you eat a snack, it's just a quick little bite of food. You eat it, you swallow it, and it's done. Whereas when you eat a meal, again, it goes back to kind of like chewing gum, but you get that saliva, which helps to keep the teeth clean, produces stuff to neutralize the bacteria and the plaque that can be forming in your mouth. So meals are better. Snacks, especially avoid the sugar. The next item is fluoridated water. And fluoride is a natural cavity fighter. This natural mineral makes the surface of teeth stronger and more resistant to tooth decay. And it's a benefit for both adults and children. A lot of times we just think it's for children, but it's for adults as well. And the easiest way to get fluoride is to drink water. Most public water or city water has fluoride added to it. An interesting fact about fluoride: before cities started adding it to the water, kids had about 3 times as many cavities. So fluoride is important to use as well. It just helps to prevent those cavities. The most important thing probably too on here, besides brushing and all the things that we've talked about, is to see your dentist on a regular basis. And that can vary from person to person. Some people may only need to see their dentist once a year, and others may need to see the dentist 2, 3, 4 times. It just depends on the oral health care that your mouth may need. Everybody's different. It's important to see something regular, though. It's better for the dentist to find out a problem while it's small before it gets bigger. And one benefit to you, if you do this, if you get in there and see the dentist early and catch these things, a small cavity is a lot easier to treat, and it's a lot cheaper to treat than if you let a cavity get big. You may have to have the tooth pulled, or maybe you have to have a root canal or a crown put on. Those things are all very expensive. So regular visits to your dentist helps to prevent those problems, sometimes before they even occur. So these are just some easy steps that all of us need to be doing on a regular basis to be able to have that smile that will last a lifetime. Appreciate everybody coming and listening today. If you have more questions, please reach out to us. Check out our website. We want everybody to always smile.